Hello, hi. In this video, I'll show you the steps on how to simplify algebraic fractions. So let's get to it. Okay, one thing you should know is when it comes to simplifying, that means from whether we have two fractions here or maybe three, your job is just to merge everything and leave it to only one fraction. Okay, so since this is adding fractions, so the rule remains the same. You make the denominator the same first. So our first step is x, open bracket, x minus 1 over, open brackets, 2x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 1 as well. Now we plus this with 3x plus 2, open brackets, 2x minus 5 over, and then x plus, x. Ooh. Sorry. Get my pen back. Okay, so x minus 1 and then multiply by 2x minus 5. Okay, so this is our first step, yeah? Now, what we do next is we are going to expand the top part only, because if you look at the bottom, it's already in simplified form. Because expanded means, you've already multiply and everything. So this is the favorable form that you have to leave your fraction with. So no need to crack your head about it. Okay, so let's expand the top part. So I'm always drawing this arrow just to tell myself of what to do. It helps because sometimes when I expand things, I only do it for one part of the brackets and I tend to leave the other. Okay, so according to the brackets and also the arrows, now I have x squared minus x plus, I'm merging things now. So 6x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 10 over, now we have a shared denominator, right? So we just have to write it once. 2x minus 5 and then x minus 1. Okay, next, what we are going to do next is we are going to combine like terms. So again, I'm a visual learner. I categorize different terms using different shapes. So now x family, I give them each a triangle, and number family, I give them a rectangle. Don't judge. This is such a pretty rectangle, okay? I love it. Hee. Okay, so now that we've identified all the like terms, so let's simplify them. I just write the denominator straight away, 2x minus 5 and x minus 1. So x squared plus 6x squared. I'm going to use different pen for this so we can see. X squared plus 6x squared, that will give us 7x squared. And then minus x minus 15x, that will give you minus 16x. And minus 16x plus 4x, that is minus 12x. And then you only have one number family, so you put it there. Done. So the final answer for this is 7x squared minus 12x minus 10 over, open brackets, 2x minus 5, and another one is x minus 1. Done.